Hello my dear students, I hope you are doing very well in your study and I also hope that you are all well at your homes. Students, we have already discussed present and past tense. Today we will discuss future tense, two types of future tense, future indefinite or simple future tense and future continuous tense. So let's start the topic future tense, and the first type of future tense, simple future or future indefinite tense. This tense tells us about an action which has not occurred yet but will occur after saying or in future. It means work will be done in the future, in any time of future. Okay. So first type of sentences, assertive sentences or simple sentences. We can say statement sentences also. The structure of assertive sentence: first of all, we use subject and then will or shall, verbs first form and object. We use shall for I and we, and we use will rest of the noun and pronoun. It means you, they, he, she, it, name, etc. Okay, so don't forget it. Shall we use only I and we. With the I and we use only shall, and will, rest of the noun and pronouns we use will. So hope you understand. So let's see the examples. Example: he will write a letter, I shall write a letter, we shall write a letter. He, we use will here, I we use shall here, we use shall here also, and all the sentences we use verbs first form. So negative sentences: helping verb shall not, same as we use with the I and we. Will not, we use rest of the noun and pronouns. And the short form of shall not, shan't, and the short form of will not, won't. In place of shall not or will not, we use shan't and won't. So structure of the negative sentences: first of all, we use subject and then shall or will plus not plus verbs first form and object. So example here: he will not or won't write a letter. He will not or won't write a letter. We use only one, will not or won't. Okay. I shall not or shan't write a letter. I shall not or shan't write a letter. But in the conversation, we use will with the I. Just like I will go there, I will with you. Okay, I will come with you. So, but in grammatical terms, we use only shall with I. So, don't forget it. And now, interrogative sentences. Structure: shall or will, and then subject, and then verbs first form, and then object, and then put the question mark at the end of the sentences. And question word plus shall or will plus subject plus verbs first form and then object, and put the question mark at the end of the sentences. There are two types of interrogative sentences: with the help of helping verb and with the help of question word. Okay, I told you about this. Example: will he write a letter? Why will he write a letter? Shall I write a letter? Why shall I write a letter? Okay. After the question word, we use helping verb of the sentence. According to sentence, we use helping verb. Where? After the question word. Or we always use helping verb. And negative interrogative sentences. Structure: same here, two types of interrogative words, also negative interrogative words, sentences, two types, with the help of helping verb and with the help of question word. So structure: shall or will, we use only one, and then subject, and then not, and then verbs first form and question mark. So same as second structure. First of all, we use question word, and then shall or will, and then subject, and then not, and then verbs first form, and then object. Students, I forgot here the object, first form and object here. Object and question mark. Same here, object and put the question mark. See here, object and question mark, object and question mark. So, example, will he not write a letter? Why won't he write a letter? Or why will he not write a letter? Shall I not write a letter? Why shan't I write a letter? Or why shall I not write a letter? Okay, we use this one or this one. Okay, the same meaning of both the sentences. Why shan't I write a letter? Why shall I not write a letter? Future continuous tense. So definition of the future continuous tense. It is used to express an ongoing or continued action in future. It means the work is progressing in future time, or the action will start in future and the action is thought to be continued till some time in future. Or we use the future continuous tense to talk something that will be in progress at or around a time in the future. So same as the work will be progressing in the future. So we call future continuous tense. So affirmative sentence. So structure, subject plus shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb plus object. So example here, he will be writing a letter, I shall be writing a letter. We use with I and we shall, and rest of the noun and pronoun we use will. The negative sentences, structure, subject, shall or will plus not plus be plus first form of the ing verb and then object. Example, he will not or won't be writing a letter, I shall not or shan't be writing a letter. Interrogative sentences, structure. Two types of interrogative sentences with the help of helping verb and with the help of question verb. Shall, will with the help of helping verb. Shall, will plus subject plus be plus ing form of the verb and then object. And second types of interrogative sentence. First of all, we use question word and then helping verb shall or will and subject and then be and then ing form of the verb and then object and question mark. So example here, will he be writing a letter? Why will he be writing a letter? Shall I be writing a letter? When shall I be writing a letter? So next, negative interrogative sentences. So structure here. There are also two types of negative interrogative sentences. First, with the help of helping verb shall or will and with the help of question word. So first, with the help of helping verb shall or will and then subject and then not and be and then verbs first form and ing, it means ing form of the verb, and then object, and put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Second structure, with the help of question word. First of all, we use question word and then helping verb of the according to sentences. It means shall or will. We use shall, will in future tense. Then subject, and then not, and then be, then verbs first form and ing. It means ing form of the verb, and then object, and put the question mark at the end of the sentence. So example here, will he not be writing a letter? Why will he not be writing a letter? Or we can say, why won't he be writing a letter? Shall I not be writing a letter? When shall I not be writing a letter? When shan't I be writing a letter? So we use first question word, and we use helping verb and subject and not, then be, and ing form of the verb and object, and put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so I hope you understood the future indefinite and continuous tense. You should revise tenses at your home and make more sentences with the help of videos. Stay safe, stay home, be careful all of you. Have a nice day. Take care.